Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset all your file associations to Microsoft defaults in Windows 10. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in Default App Settings. Best match should come back with Default App Settings. Left click on that. Now on the left, you want to left click on Default Apps, and now on the right side, you want to go and left click underneath Reset to Microsoft Recommended Defaults. Left click on that. And once you're done, you should be good to go. Once just restarting your computer, and that's about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.